In this video, I will share about what about our students will have incorporated in some internship or projects in aerospace side government sector is Satish Dhawan Space Center, and now they will share their experience about from the initial process to end-to-end side of that experience. One of the students is Jivshruti from third year Aerospace Engineering, and another is her colleague is Shivasakti from also the third year Aerospace Engineering. Both they are selected in last academic year in internship in Satish Dhawan Space Center. Now they will share their experience in that relevant internship in that particular organization sector.
I am Jiveshruti from third year Aerospace Department. So I have been selected for SDAC Satish Dhawan Space Center internship at my last semester for about 45 days. In that I have worked under space propulsion and propellant sector. There my guide was Hitesh Babu sir and Shrivani ma'am. So there I have did two projects. Beforehand I didn't knew about ANSYS analysis and all, and there I have learned ANSYS analysis, how to do structural analysis and thermal analysis and fluid flow. So my first project was about how to make a APGD powder, that is ammonium perchlorate grinding powder in a vacuum chamber, and we have to collect the fine powder from it. So first I have made a fluid flow analysis in the pipe, and then I have collected the samples and started analyzing how much the grain structures have the diameter in them. Then I have analysis with a new pipe chamber, giving a solution as a new technique to collect the samples using some other references in Google and all. Then I have also given them to use a glass chamber to see through naked eye how the flow is going on in the tube. So my next project was about designing and analyzing a tackle structure. So in that weightlifting tackle, which is of 50 Newton, have to be designed. So I have designed it in SolidWorks and also used Space Climb of ANSYS product. Then I have made a structural analysis and then a thermal analysis, which we are experiencing, like the tackle will experience some thermal condition when it is used in a solid propellant complex. So these are my projects, and I have experienced a lot in laboratories about how the autoclave machines are being used and how 3D printing are used in the sector. And what I have learned is people before going in ISRO sector, they can learn about the analysis systems and also about the 3D design models, so that they have a pre-experience to work with them.
Okay, beyond that basic from that designing software, what is the prerequisite for from our fundamental courses?
So that is, I have joined in a solid propellant complex. So we need basics about like we need to know about the basics of propulsions, how the solid propellants are used, what are the propellants used, and how it is combining chemically, and what are the structures we are using while exhaustion, like nozzle chamber.
Any type of structural regarding research will be occupied in that sector?
Yes, sir.
You are working in the propulsion, only for propulsion. It is basically from thermodynamics and propulsion, and then finally it goes to the combustion. Any type of relevant internship or projects will be held in structures regarding?
Sir, actually I worked in STEM.
You have to share your experience.
So I was selected in STEM, that is mechanical structures related project. In that I got a project of tackle designing, in which we have to lift a bag of 10 into 10 meters that cannot be only lifted by the hook, so they were required for a tackle. So that is what I have designed in that. So for that we have to know a lot of structures and the basics of materials of structures, as you said.
Okay, what is the benefit beyond from that internship? What is the benefit from that ISRO sector? You have to any paid for that internship, or you have to any free for that accommodation process?
No, sir, it's actually completely free.
Are any available for these resources to the upcoming students will be using that benefit?
Like government internship is completely free, but for accommodation we have to pay a fee. But the certificate they are giving is with a government seal, which is Like it will give a high recommendation while we are going to any interviews or jobs. Like it will boost up our resume because it's an direct government internship. So it will boost.
You are having any tie-up with that your professor? Right from that is. So what is the next step or what is the next key sector for your that connection?
So actually we can get projects from them, sir. As they have told us, more than doing an internship, it is better to do a project in ISRO sector. So they guided us to do projects in our final year.
Okay, best wishes and upcoming final year. The slot will be open for ISRO projects is April 15 to May 15 for the category of July to October. So every final year you have to apply for the project work with a group of 4 members. Because of that project work, that is any constraint. Then they will not follow the any constraint. Only for the, we will have the particular certain CGPA. Then apply for joining with 4 members. You have to apply the project work. They will follow them. Because of your final year students. Now currently final year students in project phase 1 during the 7th semester. Out of 30 students, 25 students will be carrying the project work in the ASS. So that would be important. Okay. Thank you.